What's up, y'all? We on the C4 Corvette. So today what we doing is we fixing the top because the top broke on the C4 Corvette. So when you drive it, you hear the rattling and all that. So when I did the steering wheel, I was like, I might as well fix the top, because if you buy a new top, it's $1,200 for a new top, and the customer did not want to pay $1,200 for a new top. So I was like, I got you. I'll make a bracket, hook you up. So this episode we making a bracket, and yeah, we making the bracket, putting the steering wheel in. And yeah, man, that's what we're doing in this episode. But while I'm here, I want to thank y'all for supporting and watching and subscribing, man. We almost at 500 subscribers. So please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Tell a friend. We're going up every day. I'm trying to post a video. That's my goal. So I'm going up, man, every day. So thank everybody that's been watching and supporting y'all. Now, check out the video. The safety equipment, huh? Almost. That thing be hot. Don't touch it. And disconnect your power tool so you play it safe. All right, so I got these two holes drilled. I got the third hole drilled. So these two is gonna go in the top, and the third one's gonna go through the top into the actual body of the car to hold it down. So I know these two match up because I already matched them up. But this screw, I'm sure this hole is not gonna be dead on center. So I'm gonna do is drill on top, make it wider, so I got a little adjustment here so I can play. So I know for sure when I put it on, it's gonna fit. So I'm drilling through this thick metal right here. Man, this metal thicker than some of the strippers in Atlanta, man. Damn. Drill through that, make a little adjustment plate, then I'm gonna paint everything and then screw them on, and then voila, it should be done. So let me get back to this, man. Time lapse, perhaps. All right, so now I got my plate cut. Everything's perfect and right. Now, I gotta cut down these screws because these screws are too long. I already marked my screw. Place it in the locks and get my cut on. So now we have the screw cut down. Got some paint. I'm gonna spray this down. Spray paint this black and get to work. All right, so I'm finishing this up. There you go. Screw that in. It works, which it should do, because it's like right here. And the hole like lines up perfect to where it should on the top, so I think we'll be fine in that area. And it's not gonna be rattling, it's not gonna be moving, and it's done. There you have it. We got brackets for the top now. So now, when I throw this top on, it shouldn't be no problem. Now we have brackets made, so I don't have to do nothing. So those are made now. Next, I'm gonna cover it up and paint them. So I just can't go out like that. So I gotta find my paint, cover them up, and paint them. And yeah, but for now, there you have it, man. Brackets made for the Tizop. So got my safety glasses on. I'm out. My safety glasses is out. And yeah, man. Man, I got so many projects. It's crazy. I'm like cuckoo cow, man, in my projects. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for that. I'm gonna show y'all the top later. You know what I'm saying? How I did it, you know. Yeah, man, we're gonna put the top in the car, and then from there we just gotta do the steering wheel, and then we gotta do the door locks, which I'm waiting on the door locks, and then the mirror will be done, and I mean the vet will be done. You know. Yeah, man, there we have it. So yeah, I'm back at it with the Corvette top, and I've been getting my paint on. You feel me? So yeah, it's looking a lot better. I glued the back, you know what I'm saying? Got that flat down now. Look at that. That's painted black, that's painted black, but now I need to paint the rest of the inside black. You know what I'm saying? Can't have a homie in a car, no female, and they're like, why your top messed up? You know, nah, we ain't having that. You know what I'm saying? It's got to be clean. Putting paint where it ain't. I don't know if it's productivity no more. I'm gonna call it putting paint where it ain't industry. I don't want to overdo it. I just want a little light coat. And voila. Putting paint where it ain't industries. Putting paint where it ain't industries, man. Holla at me, man. Look at that, looks so much better and smoother. Putting paint where it ain't industries, man. So yeah, man, now the top's completely done now. I'm happy with it, you know what I'm saying? I got the upholstery down, you know what I'm saying? That's flapping around. Yeah, man, it looks good. So that's it for the top thing. I think next I gotta get some bolts, some washers, and that's it. So we in the game, man. I'll at y'all later. Peace. Oh yeah, I'm back at it with the Corvette looking like Tony Dorsett. You feel me? But anyway, yeah, I got the steering wheel done as you seen last time. And now from the steering wheel, I'm about to actually put it in the car now. Now, hopefully, when I put it in the car, the wheel's still straight and I ain't got to take the steering wheel off and do no adjusting and do none of that crazy stuff. Hopefully, it's a direct swap, put it in, and it's on. So, y'all stay tuned. Check it out. All right, so I got the wheel installed. You feel me? Much better. Supposed to be a little play, which is normal from factory. All right, so I got the steering wheel on, got it back on. Everything worked perfectly. I drove the car down to the shop in the next episode. And yeah, man, check out the next episode, man. Until then, y'all, like I said, thanks for the love. Subscribe, share, like, tell a friend. Until the next episode, y'all, we're going to be in the shop with the vet, man. Peace.